The first photo in the monochrome open section is called Corlani. It scored 10, which is silver for a 5-star worker. There's a nice use of the tonal range in the photo. Unfortunately, the photo lacks impact. This photo called Pencils was disqualified as there is color in the photo, and this is the monochrome section. Looking Up scored 11, it is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Niels Jackson. There are a lot of nice textures in the photo, and the model stands out well from the even black background. Some areas just feel overexposed, like on the model's beard. Arnu got 13. It is a certificate of merit for a 5-star worker. Well done, Iman Meyer. This photo really has a lot of impact. I love the way that the model stares directly at the viewer. It is quite difficult to capture smoke like that, and you've handled that well. Well done, Iman. Swishing Tail got 10. It is gold for a 1-star worker. Well done, Heidi Archer. Zebras always make for good monochrome photos. Unfortunately, the background is too busy as it is in focus. If the background was more out of focus, the zebra would have stand out more. Ndebela Pot got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Carminda Swanepoel. This is a nice desktop photo with interesting textures and details on the pot. A little bit more contrast might even improve the photo. Sailing Away got 11. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Margaret Finn. I like the mood and the atmosphere in the photo. The horizon is placed on a strong position in the photo, and I like the diagonal tilt of the sailboat. There are just excessive noise in the photo. Skipper got 10. It is silver for a 5-star worker. I like that the skipper or the model looks straight at the viewer. There's not a lot of contrast in the photo, and that makes for the photo not to have a lot of impact. Truck Stop got 11. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Wouter Scherfontein. This is quite an interesting photo. It just seems like the post-processing has let you down. There are very strong halos around most of the items. Hidden Eyes got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Jacobus Oukamp. This is something completely different, and I like it. You handled the light mostly well, but there is a very bright spot on the model's left shoulder. Baby Whale got 11. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Karen Crook. This is something that we don't see every day, and I like the contrast between the blacks and the whites. There are just excessive noise in the photo. Wedding Bands got 10. It is silver for a 5-star worker. It is a nice idea, and I like the pinkies intertwined. Overall, the photo does not have a lot of impact, and there are strange spots on the male model's hand. The male model's pocket that flares open also takes the attention away from the wedding bands. Crystal got 13. It is a certificate of merit for a 5-star worker. Well done, Iman Meyer. This photo has so much mood. I love the pose of the model and your use of light. Silent Look got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Carminda Swanepoel. This photo has a lot of impact, and I like that the model looks straight into the lens. The background is nicely even and out of focus, and that makes the model stand out well. You handled the light very well. The model's hand just appears a bit larger than what it's supposed to be. Olifant Butt got 10. It is silver for a 5-star worker. It is nice action that was captured, but it seems like a post-processing tool was used that makes it look like an oil painting. Goodyear Flyby got 12. It is gold for a 5-star worker. Well done, Jacobus Oukamp. It's a nice photo of an aeroplane at the air show. There's a lot of movement in the propeller, and you handled the light quite well. The crop is good. This photo, called Arnu by Iman Meyer, got 13 and it was chosen as best in section for Monochrome Open. Well done, Iman.